So these are questions falling under organic chemistry. So I'm going to answer with you these simple questions, and I believe that after attending to this particular lesson, you are going to gain some information on how to go about these things. The question is saying organic compounds form homologous series. So homologous series, any compound that you are going to come up with, or any compound that you are going to encounter in this particular study, gets to belong to a series that we get to call the homologous series, where we get to have families like alkanes, alkenes, alkanols, carboxylics. All those get to belong to a certain homologous series. Those are families that belongs to this particular series. Now, the first question here, they're telling us to say, give two characteristics of members of any homologous series. So they are just interested in only two characteristics of this same homologous series. So N two characteristics. What you need to understand, you need to know that the first one, you can just tell them and put something like this. You just say that they conform. So you tell them that they do what? You just say they conform. So you say they conform to the what? They conform to the same gender formula. They conform to the what? They conform to the same what? Same gender formula. So same gender what? Same gender formula. This can be a molecular, or I can just say same chemical formula. So one is that all the family it is over the homologous series gets to conform to the same gender formula. For example, alkanes, all the members of alkanes gets to have the same gender formula. Alkenes, all the members of alkenes gets to have the same gender formula. For example, alkenes gets to have this gender formula. Have you seen alkenes who have this gender formula? So all the members of alkenes will conform to this same gender formula. This is what you need to understand. And you also need to know that the other thing is that each member, so they just want us to give two. So another part you need to understand that each member differs by what? Each member differs in molecular formula. So differs in what? In molecular formula. I'll just say a formula here because of space. So in molecular formula, so I'll say differs in molecular. Let me just write it here. Differs in molecular by what? Differs in molecular by, so differs in molecular from the next, so from the what? From the next by, so by what? By CH2. So this is it. So they differ from the next by CH2. So these are some characteristics of the homologous series, and you need to understand them just like this. We proceed to the next one. Draw the structure of an alkane with two carbon atoms in the molecule. So with two carbon what? Two carbon atom. Two carbon atom, you need to understand that we are talking about ethane. So they just want you to draw the what? To draw the structure for methane. Methane, this general formula that I written there, which is the general formula CnH2n plus 2. So carbon atoms 2, have you seen? So C 2, then H, N is 2, we know, 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 2, that is 6. So it is like this. So this is the chemical formula now. We draw the structure because they want us to draw a structural formula. So see, these alkanes get to have single bonds. So you just put my single bonds like that. So this is how things are going to be. You just do this. This is the what? This is the structural formula. So this is the structure of an alkane with two carbon atoms like this. We proceed now, we go to this one. calculate the percentage by mass of what? Hydrogen in this what? In this alkane. This is the one that is here. This one. So we put it here. C2H what? H6. So how do we find the percentage by mass? The way in which we get to find the percentage by mass, what is the mass of hydrogen? Hydrogen 1 times this 6, so it is 6, isn't it? So I'll just say it is 6 grams over, then the whole compound. With the way we get to find those things, I guess you know, C2H6, we do this. This is 1 times 6, we get 6. Then we go to the next one. That one, we say this is 2 times 12, which is what? Which is 24. When we add here, we get a 30. So it is 30. Since we want to find the percentage, we get to multiply by 100. So what are we going to do? You get your calculator here. You say 6 divide 30 equals, then times 100. What answer are you going to get? 20. So meaning it is 20%. 20% of what? 20% of hydrogen in this particular compound. 20% of hydrogen in what? In ethane. So this is it. So we are done. This is how we are supposed to answer questions that do come in an exam in this kind. I guess you've seen how I've answered this question without any struggle. If you want to be helped, not only in chemistry, but in mathematics, biology, RE 2046, as well as English language, this is an online academy. I've got an online academy. I'm here to help you get those distinctions that you want in an easy way. So you can WhatsApp me on this particular number. If you want to be helped, you can WhatsApp me on this number. I'm going to help you get that distinction that you want in an easy way. Easy does it with Harrison J. Zulu. So this is my WhatsApp number. I'm going to help you at an affordable fee. And you need to note that all our services get to be done at a fee. So if you've got a question you want me to answer it, you can text on this same number. We get to charge you a certain amount that you have to pay so that we keep improving and growing this academy. That amount you are paying is to support and is to make us grow and progress in this thing. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. I'm here to help you. So this is where we get to end from. Thank you so much.